In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on your Etsy account. Whether you've decided to update your email for security reasons or you want to associate a different address with your Etsy activities, I'll guide you through these simple steps. By the end of this video, you'll have your new email registered on Etsy without a hitch. First things first, you'll need to log into your Etsy account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate over to Etsy.com. Once you're there, sign in using your current account details. It's crucial to make sure that you remember your username and password, as you'll need them to access your account settings. If you've forgotten your login info, follow Etsy's instructions to reset your password to ensure you can proceed. Having successfully logged in, look towards the top right corner of the homepage. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Account Settings. This option will direct you to a page that houses all your account details, from personal information to notification preferences. Next, on the settings page, you'll want to find the email section. This area specifically manages your email settings. Here you'll see a field with your current email address. Look for a button or a link labeled Change or Edit. Go ahead and click it. This will allow you to begin the process of entering your new email address. Now, you'll be prompted to type in your new email address. Double check to ensure it's typed correctly. Typos can cause you a lot of unnecessary hassle, so take your time with this step. Once you're confident that everything is correct, save the changes. This update informs Etsy that you intend to change your email address. However, we're not quite finished yet. To complete the process, you'll need to verify your new email address. Etsy will send a confirmation email to the address you've just entered. So, open your email inbox, look for the email from Etsy, and follow the instructions enclosed. Usually this involves clicking a verification link. This crucial step ensures that you own the new email address and confirms its association with your Etsy account. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully changed your email address on Etsy. Remember, keeping your email up to date and secure is an excellent step towards maintaining the safety and functionality of all your online accounts. If you run into any issues, Etsy's customer support is always available to assist. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.